What's up, y'all? It's Nigel here. Hope y'all are doing fine. And today I'm back with another crazy execution video. This trade I took on NQ today. Pretty much bottom ticked the trade and exited at the top, I would say. And you'll see how it goes. But nonetheless, I'm not gonna give you guys the context behind the trade. I want you to go on your own chart and apply your own strategy or your own PDRA and try to figure out what was the context behind this trade and how you could have uh, entered the same trade that, just like me. That's more like a homework for you. All right, but you'll see how I anticipated. Oh man, how I anticipated today's price action on NQ. But yeah, the trade was literally crazy, bro. It did took almost like an hour to play out, but at the end, it was a pretty nice trade. Um, for the day, I was kind of bullish, but when price was around this uh, 15-minute order block, if we go on your chart, you'll see that it was almost like going sideways at that time. So I was trying to figure out which direction it could potentially move. But the today's scenario was something like that, like a Thursday scenario when we had uh, both range delivery or more like a choppy range delivery. It was because I told you before, like price was within two of my level of interest, so either it's probably gonna go for the buy side or probably gonna go for the sell side. But the difficult part is that you have to figure out which direction it's probably gonna go first, and that's why I waited for the 8:30 today. Um, Otherwise, I would have like gotten in earlier. I wanted to see some confirmation, and after 8:30, I saw it and entered the trade exactly at the lowest candle. You could see that. Um, yeah, so pretty much that was the context for me. I had my own like um, analysis for NK today. I didn't even open the chart. I think during the London session or even Asia. All right, I just opened it just like 50 minutes before the 8:30. I saw it was chopping around and decided to wait for 8:30 to play out, and probably I'm gonna see something that's gonna point out that probably price is gonna go to this direction or that direction. And as you can see that I was able to figure that out. And yeah, but yeah, let's talk about the previous week. All right, the last week we had pretty good run on NQ. I was able to get four winning days from Monday to Tuesday. We had um, winning streak. All right, and those trades were pretty nice. But Thursday we messed up. The price action was literally too choppy. I took two losses, as you have seen on my uh, community post, and if you follow me on X, you have seen that also. But yeah, so we have taken a loss that day. But the thing I wanted to um, tell you guys is that whenever you take a loss, just don't just take that on yourself, or don't blame your strategy, or don't let it get heavy on yourself. Okay, just close the fucking PC or whatever you're using to trade. Close it. Forget about the trade. You have taken the trade. Uh, Forget about it, and later or maybe the next day, journal it. See where you did something wrong, and if you can find it, that's good. uh, Make sure you don't do the same mistake next, probably during the next day. But how you can prevent that is you have to journal your trade. All right, what like when you are likely to take some bullshit trade, if you can figure out that part um, about your trading, I think it's gonna be more favorable for you to trust your strategy or trust your model, and you don't have to trade every single day. You can literally trade 2 or 3 days or in a week and still be profitable. You can take like 5 or 6 or trade, or even if your model gives you like 1:2, or that's also good, as long as you have proper risk management and um, proper trade management. You can be profitable with any kind of strategy. But you have to trust your strategy, trust your model. If you cannot trust your strategy, then um, uh, I feel bad to say it, but you won't be profitable. Because if you learned something and if you can trust that, uh, then are you supposed to be profitable? You have to trust your model. But there is a reason behind why you can't trust your strategy or your specific model is because you don't have enough experience yet. You have to put in more time, try to see your model or strategy on the chart, journal it, take screenshots, put them in a safe place, revisit them, study them, and probably you'll over time you'll build more trust, and you'll have more like I mean, you can literally trust your strategy of if you do that. If you see certain things for a longer period of time, it's more easier to trust that shit. But if you don't do that, if you just uh, trade like the 90% of the traders just you just take trades, and if you take a W, you close the chart, do nothing. Same for your losing days. You take a loss and do nothing, then you won't make it longer. All right, if you want this really bad, you have to do what others not doing, and that is putting in more time, putting in more um, I would say, yeah, putting in more time to figure out what is your what is actually is your strategy, and are you able to see it um, frequently within a period of time. And yeah, man, I think I've said enough, but yeah. So if you focused on the third I've said that when we break that high, I want to see some nice range candles, and it did happen. And you'll see me take some partials along the way to my profit target. But it was because those were my uh, level of interest. From those a level of interest, price can literally reverse. So you always have to know where you're gonna take partials. All right. You should not regret any decision you make while you're in a trade, even if you like take a loss or take a partial. If you take a partial early, and then think, bro, I should have held on to that long for longer. If you think like that, it's bad for your psychology. All right, don't think like that. Just uh, study more, put in more time, and uh, as I say, bro, like the more experience you gain, the more easier it will be for you, and the more visible things gonna be for you. So you have to trust the process, be patient, and keep on doing whatever you're doing. All right, and yeah. By the way, Chad, Lucid is 40% off, I think, and Alpha Futures is also, uh, I mean, discounts going on Alpha Futures as well. So if you trade futures, make sure to check the link in the description. And if you trade indices or forex pairs, um, check out Finity Funding, link in the description. And if you wanna trade live with live fund, you can check out Bybit. So I trade with more. So many of you like been asking me what platform do I use for my live trade, for my live capital? I basically use Bybit. It's a crypto platform, but you can trade uh, forex and forex metals and indices as well there. And the commission is very low, I would say, and executions are clean. There is no fluctuation. I mean, like what other brokers like give you sometimes these nightmares, like big spike. You're not gonna see that on Bybit. You can check that out for yourself if you want to trade on Bybit. You can trade crypto, you can trade forex, you can trade metals, you can trade indices at one place. So I've been using that for almost like 2 years right now, because I basically uh, buy things with crypto. So I put whenever I buy crypto or put like put money to my personal capital, that becomes more easier for me. And they are like a huge company, so there is no risk of like they're gonna run with your money. I mean, it's up to you. I love using them. Like I haven't seen anything bad about them. So it's up to you. If you want to trade, you can check the link in the description, and probably you'll find it useful too. But as you can see, I've taken almost two partial till now, and you'll see me take another partial, because I was thinking probably price could reverse from that point. All right, and you can see I took another partial, so I only have like 2 minutes left. So yeah, and I was still looking at price, trying to see if even if it I mean, does it want to continue any higher from that point? But it was staying below that fair value gap. So I was kind of in doubt that it could reverse from that point, and you'll see me getting stopped out on profit with the rest of the 2 minutes. But uh, so far, it was a great trade. I'm happy with it. I know why price did certain things, so that's what you want to know. If you take a loss, if you take a win, you have to know what you did right, what you did wrong. If you know those answers, you won't be regretting your decisions, and I won't be watching the charts for the rest of the day. So, hope you guys also made money, and I'll probably catch you guys on to the next one. Till then, be safe, take care of your health, your mental health, and stay away from bad people uh, who doesn't motivate you. All right, stay far, far away from those people. All right? Hope you guys have a nice day. Peace.